So I'm a family filmmaker, photographer from the Caribbean, and this is my first real experience with the beauty of snow. Join me as I try to capture the beauty that I am now witnessing as I walk with my kids to get some food supplies after this snowstorm that we just had. This is after the snowstorm. I challenge myself to come out here and speak to you for as long as I can in just a t-shirt. I think it's now -6. My skin feels like it's falling off. It's very easy to take something for granted. Once you've seen it enough, you get accustomed to it. The problem is not necessarily shoveling snow. Is where to put the snow after you've shoveled it. And that I've learned the hard way.
You know, the snowlands and commercial use buildings were also very tall because they're commercial use, right?
Yeah.
If these snowlands are that tall, then I'm wondering what the commercial snowlands are like.
Yeah.
By the way, I finally found my gloves.
This is what Newfoundland looks like right after a snowstorm. We got hit with, what was it, a northeasterly?
Nor'easter.
A nor'easter, and it's quite slippery here. The roads are covered in ice.
No.
So this is basically ice, man. So everyone is digging themselves out. Let's go. Ooh. Did I forget anything inside? The sun is out. Woohoo! Remember I said in my last video, that I said in my last video that the sun is overrated? Might have been lying, but cool. My ears are a little numb.
Did I have the Toronto nature?
Keeping my hands in my pocket this time. Now after that snowstorm, there was another snowstorm. So we had about, let's say, 3 snowstorms in a row. The first one was blizzard-like. The other 2 were much quieter, but it dumped a lot of snow. So thank you for watching. That's a day in our lives here in Newfoundland, Canada.